Yes, hi guys. This is with respect to CA final advanced auditing. Many students are asking, like especially those who are planning for September attempt and Jan 26 or even later attempts also. So should I take a regular batch or should I take the exam oriented fast track? Which is best for us? Undoubtedly, I can tell you this fast track batch is best. Sir, I'm a first timer. Like, can I also attend this fast track batch? Absolutely. Like how did you tell, sir? How come you say regular and fast track is better than regular? How did you say? Basically both are not comparable products, but I am comparing and letting you know very clearly that fast track is best. There are many reasons. Like if I show you fast track batch, conceptual cover is 100%, 100 I mean if it is 100 hours, approximately question bank discussion is 50 into 20 hours, total 114 to 115 hours is what exact we freezed. 115 hours here, it's not small. Okay, so 115 hours is very good, and it's entire 115 hours, no time wastage at all, pure content discussion. 115 hours pure content discussion. And most importantly, I must show you, you know, fast track, you see I've given clearly 600 plus questions we solved. Apart from concept discussion, apart from conceptual discussion, 600 questions of test your knowledge, eyes your illustrations, test your understanding, and past exam questions, MTPs, RTP questions. Fantastically we covered. 600 plus questions we discussed in the class. Imagine the scale of discussion. Imagine a student who takes this fast track course, blindly surrender to this, listen to the class, practice the same questions which I tell in the classroom. In fact, I must tell you one more thing. Out of these 600 questions, we again filtered them into 120 questions, not 120, 140 approximately. We filtered 135 to 140 exceptional questions. That PDF anyhow I'll publish separately. I'll make a separate video on that. You don't even have to solve later on after attending this class. After solving all the 600 questions along with me in the class, later you only have to read 140 questions for practice purpose. You don't have to read entire 600 again. And you know very well the kind of question bank we are going to give you is a comprehensive question bank, colored question bank, CA final. Okay, 720 plus. You can download the question bank in our website, Sreshta for CSEMA. PDF is there, or alternatively you can order for hard copy also in the same website. So you can you can see here. So you can order here the hard copy of the question bank and goat notes set. The entire fast track batch is going to be based on goat notes, which is 360 pages CA final concept book. Trust me guys, best available book in the market. Okay, and most importantly now, so why this batch has to be chosen, if at all you are asking me the question. And regular batch, one more reason why I don't want you to go for regular, better go for this. It's my old version recording where the chapter order discussion, the material order, everything was completely different. Whereas in exam oriented batch, this time what we did is we followed the same 19 ICA chapter order in the material. Of course, discussion, class discussion will be in a different order. Okay, but we followed the material order as it is. So the price is 4799 excluding books, and books you can place separately. Okay, now why you need to choose this? As I told you, you can finish in 115 hours. Now, sir, I'm a first timer, can I also watch this? Absolutely guys. In fact, these fast track batch is a face-to-face version of who are all first timers. 95% of the classroom, whoever sit, no, they are first timers. For them only we took this fast track batch. In fact, those few of them are repeaters also. They have attended from a regular class, and every one of them unanimously voted your fast track batch is very intense and very productive. Very simple. If you ask me the difference between regular and fast track, this is a slow motion video, this is a standard video. That's how I can define it. And if at all, when you're watching this class, whether you're taking regular or your choice ultimately. See, for me personally, this is more profitable for me. Why I recommend this? I want my student have a best product of mine. I believe my fast track batch is best product. Any seller service provider, they don't want to sell the costly product, they want to sell their best product, because that gives you more satisfaction, that you will promote me much more better if you enroll fast track, because the kind of satisfaction you get in fast track batch, believe me guys, unimaginable. Within the very short time, 100% syllabus, not even single concept we ignored here. 100%. Everybody will tell you 100%, but when I am telling you 100% means it's 100%. 100% coverage, 100% discussion, question bank will be discussed. Even in the recently, ICA has given model test papers, right? Only in model test paper 3, some 4 or 5 questions were there which are not covered in our question bank. 6 model test papers, all those questions were also covered as part of our question bank. Imagine the comprehensiveness. You don't have to look for any other resource. In fact, recently our students, May 25, they wrote MTP1, MTP2. Every one of them said every question is from this question bank. Getting it? Why such a comprehensive 720 questions here? Okay, some 100 were repetitive in nature, so 600 unique questions were there. More than enough. And remember, we are solving this within 115 hours in the class itself. You don't have to separate to solve. Later in the class itself, I'll be giving instructions what to do next also. So blindly trust my words. Enroll fast track. Don't go for my regular. Regular is my previous version. In fact, I'm planning not to take regular anymore further, because this 115 hours itself, we are able to bring a maximum fantastic output we brought. And whether you're September or January, whatever attempt you're going to be, this batch is tremendously, amazingly useful for anybody. So you don't hesitate about it. So why will I make a video and tell don't buy this and buy this? Why should I tell you? Tell me honestly, I can sell both, right? If I am telling you means, imagine I just want to give you the best product and best experience. But still, if you still have, no sir, I want a detailed batch where the discussion will be very slow, you happily go for my regular, where you will have a very cool, smooth, slow discussion, but not required. This is very productive discussion. You know what? I covered more points and more concepts in fast track than regular. I know you may or may not believe this statement. Sir, how come, sir? 150 hours, that's what. In regular, no, so much of other discussions and all we do. In a fast track, we don't do. That's the only difference. That if you understand, if you are little smart, you will understand that in a regular, we discuss so much of general concepts and all, general knowledge, all that we'll discuss. That will not be there in the fast track. That's the basic difference between regular and fast track. That's it. Okay, I hope I gave you the answer. That's it. Go ahead, choose fast track and the material, goat notes material. Trust me guys, you will really do wonder. And now some of you, sir, what if I enrolled for regular, sir, and I didn't watch even 10% of the class also? Can I convert to fast track? Like, I'll buy the book separately. Can I convert to fast track? Yes, I'll give you free conversion from regular to fast track. Free conversion. Books alone you have to buy separately, because in fast track, no, we used goat notes plus question bank. That's it. So what else I can do? If at all you have enrolled into regular where the usage is less than 5%, less than 10%, that's okay, less than 10%, I will directly give you free conversion. That's it. Okay, so what else is required? See, I have my selfish motive here, because I want you to watch my best product ever, best product in CA Final Audit, so that your satisfaction will be more, and definitely you'll recommend many other students also. So that is what my personal motive in this. Very simple. If you're satisfied the best, you recommend more, and my popularity and my core sales will increase naturally. So that's it. So you will experience the best, trust me. That's it. Okay, take care.